Struggling to accept payments from Latin American customers on your hosting or site? Unlock over 200 local payment methods with DLocal Go in minutes. No more losing sales because your customers can't use their preferred payment options. I'll walk you through connecting DLocal Go to your hosting or store, from accessing settings to linking your account. Let's get started. First, open your site in the hosting or website builder. This is where you do all your editing, so if you're not already there, go ahead and open it up. You'll see your storefront in the builder view. Now locate the shopping cart icon. It looks like a small shopping cart, usually in the top toolbar or sidebar. Click on it. This opens up your store settings and gives you access to everything related to your products and checkout. Next, from the cart menu, click on Settings. This is where you can control how your store operates, from shipping to taxes and, of course, payments. Within Settings, find and click Payments. This is the section where you choose how your customers pay you. You'll probably see a few options already listed there. Now look for the DLocal Go option. It should be listed alongside other payment gateways. Click on it. And here's the really important part. This is where things get exciting. This step involves creating or connecting your DLocal Go account. You'll see a button that says something like Create and Connect a DLocal Go account. Click on that. This will take you through a setup process where you can either sign up for a new account or log into an existing one. Once you're in, you'll have access to over 200 local payment methods across Latin America. We're talking credit cards, debit cards, bank transfers, cash payments, the works. This is where you unlock the ability to accept payments the way your customers actually want to pay. After you've set up your account, come back to your hosting or settings. Click the Connect button to officially link your DLocal Go account to your store. This might take a moment to process. Finally, you'll see a confirmation message. Click on Ready for your first sale, and you're done. Your store is now equipped to handle payments from across Latin America, and that's it. You've gone from limited payment options to accepting over 200 local methods, all in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.